What's going on, community? Welcome back to another video. So guys, recently I have ever been looking for a shopping agency platform, but after the Pandabuy, the market has undergone a lot of the changes. Today, I'm going to explore a newly launched platform that name is Goatedbuy. You can say this is one of the best platforms, but you can also say this is the number one platform. But in my opinion, this is the best platform. On this platform, you could buy literally anything from the China. Let me show you how you can do that. So first of all, guys, here you can check out the interface of the website. Looking so much cool over there, and their website is so much good, guys. And after that is goated by the news of the companies. They're also giving 50% off, and they're also giving more than 5200 yuan coupons and premium services, better exchange rate, lower shopping rate, and HD QC for this too. So that's gonna be our best thing for you. So guys, first of all, here you can check it out. Here is the Goatedbuy. If you want to register on this platform, it's super simple. Just go, give your email address, and you can join on this platform in just few seconds. Literally in just few seconds, you can enter in this website. So first of all, guys, it's Goatedbuy. China at your fingertips, worldwide delivery. So it also depends upon four steps. Number one is that place order. Number two is that QC and store. Third is that submit parcel, and fourth is that Intel ship. Cheaper with the line with the 150 ships are also available there. Then user guide. If you don't know how to use the Goatedbuy, here you can check it out. The user welcome gift is also available there. They join their Discord server is also available there. All our links in the description, so don't forget to check them out. And here is their service process. Number one is order purchase. Number second is merchant ships to the warehouse. Number third is also QC inspection, and the fourth is global made easy. So in the fourth step, you could buy from the Goatedbuy. It's super easy. And in the estimates section, you could estimate literally anything: your parcel, your price, your shipping cost, everything. You could check out on the estimation. And here in the forwarding process, you can also check out a lot of details are also available there. And in the help center, you can also literally help with them. And one of the most amazing thing is that they are also giving the affiliate section where anybody join this platform through your link, you can also get about it. This is the main thing I was looking for in so many Chinese platform, but no one giving that thing. And their percentage is also amazing. You could also check them out, and all our links are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. If you don't know how to buy their platforms, everything is available there, so you could go and check them out. And you can also select the currencies, everything, the languages, and here's the add to cart is also available there. What product, user center, your wallet, account setting, everything is in front of you. So guys, let me show you how you can actually buy. You have seen a lot of platforms like Taobao, Biden, 1688. Basically, this is one of the most famous platforms in China to buy literally anything. So guys, I'm gonna select this product. I will copy the link. You just need to go and copy the product link which you want to buy. Go back to the Goatedbuy and paste the link over there. That's it. Now click on the search option, and that is what you need to do. Only just few seconds. It will take one few. And you can also check the product. This is the product we have already checked this out on the Taobao. So you could buy the same product on the Goatedbuy. This is also Goatedbuy work like an agent or agency, or like a bridge between you and your product. You could buy through them. Everything will be amazing. Like the shipping will be good. Their prices are also amazing, and everything will be in front of you. First, you need to select the product, what you want to buy, quantity. If you want to leave anything, you can leave up your message and click on the buy now option. That's it. Nothing at all. And you can enter in the product section where you can check out. Here's the back to cart, everything is also available there. Here's the prices. You need to click on the now and click on the buy now. After that, you need to give all of your address and click on the pay now. That is the product will be at your doorstep in just few days. That's what everything. So guys, that was our video about the Goatedbuy. If you are interested in the shipping, or if you want to buy some product, or if you want to shopping from the China, it's one of the best platform for you. So that was our video. I hope you liked and enjoyed. We will meet in our next video. So have a great day. Please keep safe, stay happy, and thank you.